The future of AI just took a quantum leap. OpenAI is about to release GPT-5 next month. And get this, AI referrals to websites have exploded by 357% in just 1 year. The way we interact with information is changing faster than anyone predicted.
Those numbers are staggering. And it's fascinating that ChatGPT alone is driving over 2 billion monthly visits now. How do you think this shift away from traditional search engines will impact businesses?
Well, it's already transforming how companies approach digital strategy. Think about it. When ChatGPT gives you a direct answer instead of a list of links, that completely changes the game for content discovery and distribution.
Speaking of transformative changes, what specific improvements are they promising with GPT-5?
So the really exciting part is the enhanced reasoning capabilities and deeper workplace tool integration. Imagine an AI that can not only understand complex audit documentation, but actually help identify patterns and potential risks across thousands of documents in seconds.
That could revolutionize how we handle evidence collection and analysis. Have you seen any audit teams already experimenting with current AI tools?
Oh yeah, I've been tracking some fascinating implementations. Several teams are using AI for automated risk scoring, processing thousands of data points to flag potential issues. But here's what's really interesting. Some are developing custom audit co-pilots, trained on specific frameworks like CIS or NIST.
Tell me more about these audit copilots. How exactly are they being used?
Well, think of them as specialized AI assistants that can generate detailed audit procedures based on your specific compliance requirements. They can even suggest control improvements by analyzing historical findings. It's like having an experienced auditor's knowledge base at your fingertips.
That's really interesting, especially with the White House just launching their comprehensive AI action plan.
Exactly, and that plan includes over 90 initiatives spanning innovation, infrastructure, and global diplomacy. It's going to set new standards for transparency and governance in AI usage, which directly impacts how we implement these tools in audit work.
How do you see these new regulations affecting our day-to-day audit procedures?
I think we'll see three major impacts. First, we'll need new procedures specifically for auditing AI systems. Second, our own AI tools will need to comply with these guidelines. And third, this is crucial. We'll likely see new requirements for documenting AI-related controls and risks.
That reminds me of Meta's bold move with their new superintelligence lab. Bringing in Shengzhe Zhao seems significant.
Oh, that's huge. By recruiting a ChatGPT co-creator as chief scientist, they're sending a clear message about their commitment to advanced AI research. It shows they're thinking way beyond current applications.
Let's talk practical tools for a moment. What's your experience been with DataSnipper?
It's been a game changer for document matching and test of detail validation. The Excel integration is seamless. But here's a pro tip. Watch out for file size bloat when embedding PDFs. I've found using links instead of direct embeds keeps everything running smoothly.
That's helpful to know. I've actually been experimenting with using ChatGPT as a preliminary review tool for testing plans.
Oh, really? How's that working out?
Well, I use this specific prompt. Review this internal control testing plan and identify potential gaps or ways to make it more efficient. It's surprisingly effective at spotting potential oversights and suggesting improvements.
You know what's fascinating about all of this? We're seeing AI transform from a novelty into essential infrastructure. It's not just about having cool tools anymore. It's about fundamentally changing how we approach audit work.
But don't you think we need to maintain a balance between embracing these tools and maintaining professional skepticism?
That's actually a crucial point. A inem helyetasidi asakmai itele chak fokoza. We still need critical thinking and skepticism, but now we can apply those skills more effectively and efficiently.
How do you see this evolution continuing over the next few years?
I think we'll see even deeper integration of AI into audit work, but with much stronger governance frameworks. The real challenge will be keeping pace with these changes while maintaining audit quality and independence. It's going to require constant learning and adaptation, but that's what makes this field so exciting right now.
Well, that certainly gives us plenty to think about until next time.
Indeed, it does. The future of internal audit is being rewritten right before our eyes, and we're all part of that transformation.